Got a new bike. Yeah, it runs. It's gonna need some work. He went out riding on my other bike. It's a little 196cc. Do I smell that? Yeah. I smell gas because I just put a little gas in it, ran it. Actually, it took off on itself, fell over.
What's the wire hanging out?
This is the fuel line that goes to that. Gonna need a new gas tank for it. Also gonna need to get an air filter.
No, you got him.
Oh. Oh, it also needs a seat. Trinity, get away from it.
I'm looking at it. I like looking
Back
at
up.
it. Why would a seat be there?
It also needs a seat. The light does work, yeah,
It does?
but it has to be on for the light to be on.
Sweet. But then you'll be wasting the battery when you're riding.
No, there's no battery. It just takes all gas. The tires need to be changed. It needs an oil change too.
Badly changed the tires?
No, I mean just put some air in it.
Yeah.
My friend is working on it, actually. He's helping us work on it. Said he can get it fixed up in about 2 hours. He just doesn't have the time, so in a few days should be able to get this thing running.
It does need a new gas tank because of,
No, I just bolted it back on. Yeah, the gas tank does come off.
So now, if you need to do something, you can take the gas tank off and you just look at it. But it
Yeah,
probably won't be
so-
able to do that, so.
Then I also need to get that bolted back on. Get this little dent right here out of it.
What, Mom? I'm talking to me.
Other than that, it's a pretty neat bike. Oh yeah, also got to take the whole thing apart, clean it up, oil it, everything. Shouldn't take much more than a few hours. But yeah, that's the bike.